Accuracy is critical when you're serving first responders. When a firefighter runs into a burning building, that equipment has to work 100% of the time. If you pick, pack, and ship the wrong part, that can have a real impact on society. That can have an impact on your family. What we're doing is important to everybody. Municipal Emergency Services is a provider of first responder equipment. We work with law enforcement, we work with fire departments, we work with EMS, making sure they have the best products and that those products are serviced and operational every day.
MES operates in 46 states. We currently have about 650 employees. A lot of what we sell is customized, tailored down to the department based on their specs. MES has over 200,000 SKUs in our system, and we represent almost 2,000 suppliers. And that means we have the right tools, the right equipment for our customers when they need it, wherever they need it. Prior to NetSuite, MES was running on Dynamics AX. Some of the challenges we faced with that platform was our ability to scale as we grew the business. If we wanted to change a business process or how we did something, we'd have to work with a third-party VAR. It took longer to get the customers the stuff they needed when they needed it. When we ran into a database issue, we were down for a good day and a half. At that point, we knew there was just too much risk in one single point of failure. I got the idea of let's go out and look at the best in class, best of breed for what we were doing, and we settled on NetSuite. We're truly unleashing the suite. We leverage NetSuite, CRM, ERP, financials, CPQ, WMS, SCA. We continue to use modules as they come up. It gave us the opportunity to reinvent our key business processes for more efficiency. For example, we took our manual AP process where we process about 11,000 invoices a month to an automated solution. Now 85% of those invoices are processed automatically through our system. We're always able to spot issues long before it becomes a problem for our customers, and it just leads to better customer satisfaction.
First responders are working 24/7. They don't necessarily buy 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. They may be on third shift working on a Saturday night, and that may be when the purchase takes place. NetSuite gave us a platform where we could build self-service tools for our customers quickly and efficiently that were completely intertwined with what we were doing every day.
Since the implementation of NetSuite, we've almost tripled in size. NetSuite has made us more efficient. And if I had to describe to someone else what made us stick with NetSuite, it's the ability to scale and grow.
One of our growth strategies here is we are in the acquisition game. We're looking to make a minimum of 3 to 5 acquisitions annually. We found that when we buy a company and we put them on NetSuite, it's easy for us to train them to use it, and we've just had great experience.
In the future, we see MES continuing to evolve, finding the right solutions for customers, and we would like to keep leveraging the NetSuite platform to achieve those goals.
When you bring NetSuite into your company, it gives you a platform that you can grow with. NetSuite's given us great consistency, it's given us great quality, and it's been a great fit for the first responder market.